What is going on, guys? So, as you guys can tell, I'm trying to focus this. So, I get the question every single day in my Instagram DMs, so I took a note of it. What broker would I start on if I had to start today?
I've been getting dirty money, Jordan Belfort. Stacking penny stocks while I'm flipping these birds. Sipping on Ciroc, trip 'em up with the words. I done popped the Molly and I think it's be my third.
I had to start all over today. So the broker that I'm going to go on ahead and choose is TD Ameritrade. First of all, there's a couple different reasons. I can teach you how to get around the PDT rule with them and stuff like that. That's not important when you're first trading. It's probably something you've never even heard of. But with that being said, you can also have great charting software that's absolutely free. You're going to have great customer service representatives 24 hours a day, which is absolutely amazing in this world, because if you're trading on somebody like Robinhood or something, you guys know it's impossible to get anybody on the phone. You're never gonna get to talk to anybody. They're just gonna send you an email. Is what's gonna happen, and you have no idea what's going on with your money. And that's a big issue if you're me and this is your job and you have lots of money on the line every day. So that is my broker. I want to make this video super short. My second broker would probably be Webull right now. It's free, no commissions and all that stuff. It's decent software. My third one would be E-Trade. I still have a big account with E-Trade. I don't trade on it very often. I've got some longer term stuff in there as well. E-Trade everything is great with E-Trade, great customer service, all of that. Same with TD Ameritrade, except for their software is not near as good. So I'm just giving that to you up front. I can probably throw a picture on their software somewhere around in here and maybe even cover my face. Who knows? But those are the big things that I'm really looking into, and those are things that are big worries for me, because I know as a day trader and as a swing trader that I need all the tools and being able to have somebody to call when the software does screw up, guys, because these are computers. They're not 100% perfect. They're just like humans. They do have flaws. They have error codes and things like that happen. So with that being said, me personally, I'm choosing TD Ameritrade, whether I'm starting with $50 or I'm starting with $100,000. That's my personal preference, guys. I hope you guys liked the video, and I hope this answered some questions. With that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.